Hey. Gabby, can you say Bree? Say Bree?
Baby.
Yeah. Can you say Bree?
Bree.
Good. Can you say Lenny?
Me.
That's right. Lenny? Can you say Tay Tay? Can you say Tay Tay? Gabby.
Baby.
Can you say Tay Tay?
Kiki.
That's good. Now can you say Bree, Lenny, and Tay Tay, I love you.
Baby.
I love you. I miss you. Go like this. Mwah. Mwah. Whoa. Upsy daisy. Can you make it? Ugh. Can you go like this? Mwah.
Baby.
Mwah.
Baby.
Yeah, that's your horsey. Say hi, horse. Hi, horsey.
Baby.
Hey, can you give him a kiss?
Ma.
Give him a kiss.
Ma.
Go like this. To the camera. Hi, that's right.
Wow.
You want to read a book, honey? Mommy will get you a book. Oh, where are you going? You want your book about kitties? Oh, that's so cute. Let's see here. Ooh.